Hi and welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. My name is Tom Fotios and today we are standing in front of a beautiful 29 Model A street rod. This is a steel body with glass fenders. Absolutely pleasure to drive. Come on up, let's take a walk around. What we have under the hood, if you would, is a 350 4-bolt main, Edelbrock intake, Demon carb, chromed out, powder coated headers, got front disc brakes. This car's been professionally built. Don't forget to check out the undercarriage pictures at vanguardmotorsales.com. The undercarriage is just as pretty as the top. We do have the hood for this as well. It comes with the car, and unbelievable front disc brakes, rear drums. It's got a Ford rear end. It's just a sweet little ride. The paint's in very good shape. There's a couple blemishes right here on the door and then right here on the back here. It does have all the windows. All the windows do roll up nice and easy. They're actually power in the front and manual in the back. Some custom pinstriping. My favorite's the way the exhaust comes out the back. Just kind of tight looking. Don't forget to join us on Facebook at facebook.com/Vanguard Motor Sales. Tires are like new, rims are like new. The car is showing 33,000 miles on it. And this is one you can get in and take it anywhere. It runs nice and cool. It's got an electric fan. 350 trans. Booyah! It's got a tan interior, nice plush interior in it. A lot of good wood trim on the dash. Up above, overhead is the radio. They have a clock up there, and has all the gauges in there. Really fancy looking thing here. They did a really good job. This isn't an amateur. This is was a professional build. It's even got a wiper that works. I'm really becoming a fan of these street rods. I mean, they're just a lot of fun, and everyone's different. You know, it's not like you're going to a car show and you're looking at a Chevy or a Camaro all the time. You know, we're looking here at a unique vehicle with, you know, its own characteristics. People need to learn how to drive around here. But, yeah, this is a sweet ride. It's absolutely beautiful. And fortunately it has a lot of power too. It's ready to go. Don't forget to check out more pictures at vanguardmotorsales.com. You can also join us on Facebook at facebook.com/Vanguard Motor Sales. Don't even think about doing one of these yourself. You'll put 60, 70 grand into it. Buy one done. Do a few changes to make it yours, but you know, why mess with building one? This one has the tilt wheel as well. It's kind of cool. I think this one's worthy of the 7-mile spin out. Let's go check it out. Thanks again for joining us today at Vanguard Motor Sales with the beautiful 29 Model A. Stay tuned for the next pass.